Channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite summer go-to styles, different ways you can style your loose twists. You guys already know loose twists are my favorite style. They're an amazing protective style for 4C hair. I wear loose twists all year round and they're very versatile. I'm going to show you some of my favorite styles in this video. Yeah, shout out to Uncle Funky's daughter for sponsoring this video. They are one of my favorite brands. I love their products so much, so I'm always very excited to work with them. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm starting from some old hair. I'm gonna refresh my twist, re-moisturize. So I always start by spraying some water in my hair. So I'm just gonna take in some water in a spray bottle and using that to mist my hair. Apply a generous amount to make my hair damp before I start applying products. Next, I'm going to be taking the Uncle Funky's daughter Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. Works on all hair types. This is practically a leave-in conditioner. They have a different leave-in conditioner called Midnight Trim, but my hair has really been liking this one recently, so that's why I've been using it. And it has really nice ingredients and plant extracts that help to keep your hair strong and refreshed. Next, for moisturizing, I'm going to be taking Supercurl, which is a moisture miracle cream. It is an intense moisturizer. Just look at how creamy it is. It just soaks into your hair. So if you have low porosity hair, you really enjoy Supercurl. Another thing I love about Supercurl is that it's formulated with a lot of nice oil, so you don't have to apply extra oil to your hair. It's going to give you a really nice shine in your hair, make your hair look shiny, healthy, moisturized and conditioned. You guys are gonna see it in the video when I come up close. It also has glycerin and honey, which are amazing humectants for natural hair, so they basically draw moisture to your hair. Next, I'm going to be taking extra butter. Extra butter is more on the thicker side. This is like a sealing butter. So I basically apply this after I apply all my other lighter products. You can use either Supercurl or extra butter. You don't have to use them together, but I prefer to use them together because I like to get the benefits of both. Extra butter also has those really nice ingredients and those really thick butters that are going to just seal in all the moisture in your hair. It also contains humectants and a lot of nice fatty alcohols that help to basically soften your hair and keep it healthy and conditioned. So I'm coming up close to show you guys the products in my hair. I've been getting a lot of requests recently for people to see my hair up close with products in it because for some reason some people still don't believe my hair is 4C. So this is what my hair looks like up close with products in. As you can see, my hair doesn't form curls or anything like that with products in it. It still looks like this. So yeah, I'm just basically showing you guys up close what my hair looks like. Even though my hair doesn't form any curls, it's still very moisturized with the products inside. And it's still going to shrink up more as the products soak into my hair. Just showing you guys a little bit of my shrinkage, and my hair still shrinks some more as the products soak more into my hair. Anyway, it's time to do the loose twist. So as you guys can see, I have a section of hair, and if you look at my hands, you can actually see the oil, the shine. That is from Supercurl. That is how shiny it leaves your hair. So basically, to do a loose twist, you twist the roots firmly, as you guys can see. Then you twist the body loosely. So twist the roots firmly and twist the body loosely. Make sure you're using your hands to finger detangle and stretch your hair as you twist. So now when we get to the end, we are going to twist it firmly again. Twist the ends firmly. So basically, to do a loose twist, you twist the roots firmly, twist the body loose, and then twist the ends firmly again. So twist the roots firmly, twist the body loosely, and twist the ends firmly. And this is what your loose twist should look like. Obviously, depending on the length of your hair, it might look a bit different, but generally this is the look that loose twist gives you. Loose twist always gives the illusion of more volume in your hair because of the way the twist is done. So if your hair is on the finer side, if your hair is on the thinner side, I'd advise you try loose twist if you want to get into twisted styles and you want it to look have the illusion of more volume. If you want your twist to look fuller, I'd advise that you try loose twist. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and twist my entire head of hair. Now, normally, since I'm so used to doing twists, I twist very fast, so it doesn't really take me that long to twist. So the amount of time it will take you, it will just depend on how fast you twist and the length of your hair and the thickness of your hair. So I'm done doing that back section. Then I've done half of my head, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the other half. This is what my twists are looking like. And this is all my loose twists done and ready. Now we're about to get into the fun part. So this is what the back looks like as well. So now, time to decorate the twist. This is my favorite part. As you can see, I'm using some beads. I get these beads at my local beauty supply store. This is a beader. It comes in every pack of beads. So what you do is that you basically slide the beads onto the beader. I think it takes about 3 or 4 beads. Then you pass the end of your twist through the middle hole like that, and you just slide your beads onto your hair. Simple and straightforward. Then you wrap your hair around the bottom bead. And that is it. That is it. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my beading. So this is what the hair looks like with the beads, and the beads also act as weights to stretch your hair just to make the twist look nicer. Loose twists are one of my favorite, actually they are my favorite go-to style, especially during the summer. I love loose twists so much. So I went ahead and put on some makeup, and now I'm about to show you the different ways that I style my loose twists when I'm going out during the summer, maybe to a festival party or something like that, even though we're all stuck at home this summer. Yeah, so I'm just putting on my earrings. I get my jewelry from Shop Accessorize. I always buy it from them. They have very nice jewelry, and it's a black-owned company. So you can definitely leave your loose twist like this. I wear it like this sometimes, or you can style it in so many different nice ways. So for my first style, I'm going to do basically a puff, a high puff, or a high ponytail, however you want to call it. And these styles also work for people with locks as well. That's another reason why I love doing loose twists, because they look like locks and it's just very, very beautiful to me. So I'm gonna take a hair tie and just use it to tie all my hair on the top of my head. This is one of like the only hair ties that actually works for all my hair. It's so secure and it's adjustable as well, so it doesn't make your hair feel tight or anything like that. So I'm just arranging my ponytail, and yeah, this is a very easy and straightforward style. So I'm just showing you guys different angles of the style. This is a very, very nice and quick style. It's very, very cute, especially with the beads and everything. And if you notice, I used 2 different colors of beads, black and silver, because I didn't have enough black beads. I couldn't find some of my beads, so I just threw in some silver there. Anyways, for style 2, I'm going to be doing 2 side ponytails. Just, yeah, 2, one on the left and one on the right side. Again, I'm using that same hair tie. If you want to know where I got the hair tie from, let me know down below and I'll leave it in the description box. So this is style 2. These styles, you can do them literally in less than 5 minutes. Once you have your loose twist done, you can just do these styles very quickly. So I went ahead and did an outfit change for you guys because I don't know, I just wanted to give you guys some variety in this video, because the next 2 styles are more like on the sleeker side. So I went ahead and changed my outfit to black. So as you can, if you notice, I've taken away some of the beads in the front pieces, and now I'm just basically going to do a half up, half down. So I'm just, that middle part, I'm going to tie it up with the hair tie once again. So now that we've done the half up, half down, I'm going to release the front, and I'm just going to do a swoop and pin it down with a bobby pin. So depending on the length of your hair, you might have some hair sticking out from the swoop, so you can just go ahead and add beads to the end so that it just blends in well with everything. So I also changed my earrings as well. These new pair of earrings are also from Shop Accessorize. Like I said, I literally almost always buy my jewelry from them. But anyways, this is style number 3. So for style number 4, last but not least, as you can see, I've taken away all the beads. Now I'm just going to pack all my hair to the top of my head and basically do a top bun. Packing all the hair, all my hair to the top of my head is not easy at all. It takes me a lot of arm strength. But yeah, so I'm just tying it with the hair tie. Next, I'm going to start doing the bun. As you can see, I'm taking a couple pieces, wrapping it around, securing it, taking another couple of pieces, wrapping it around and securing it, and just doing that until I've tucked in all the pieces and I have a really nice bun. If you have any questions about any part of the styling, please let me know down below and I'll try my best to answer. Now for the front portion, you can do the swoop again and just slide all the bang parts to the side, or you can just leave it hanging anyhow you want. The two styles look very nice. I'm just going to leave it hanging like that, and that is basically how you do style 4. So this is basically how you do my favorite summer style loose twist, and 4 different ways you can style it to create different looks. Let me know which of the styles you liked, let me know which of the styles you'd try, and stay tuned to the end of this video for all the information on where you can get everything I use to create the styles. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys, just to give you guys some variety on how I style my loose twist and show you some of my favorite go-to summer styles. Yeah, all the products I use are from Uncle Funky's daughter, and they will all be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. You can also use my code West African Baby for 15% off if you're shopping online, and you can also get these products at Target as well. So let me know your favorite styles, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.